Hi everyone, my name is Valerie, marketing team at Dashly. Our team has been collecting expertise on marketing for about 6 years already, and now we're happy to share this expertise with the world. So now it's time to share tips, best practices, and just action plans with the world. Let's start. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the lead generation, actually lead magnets. This video contains a heavy load of examples on leads generation on your website, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also enable the notifications. This way you will never miss the videos full of best practices. What is actually a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a freebie that you offer to your website visitors in exchange for their email address. And also the lead magnet helps you to qualify your website visitors and understand if they are a good fit for you. So what is also specific about a lead magnet is that it's highly relevant to your customers and it is really useful. This way your website visitors will indeed share your email address with you just because they get in exchange their relevant and useful information. The creation and proper placement of a lead magnet is something that you should pay attention to. Also, a lead magnet is one of the effective and quick ways to generate a lead base for your business. There are actually hundreds of types of lead magnets, but I will focus on the most popular ones. So these are checklists, guides, cheat sheets, infographics, reports, also video instructions, templates, etc. In a nutshell, the lead magnet serves to qualify your leads, also collect their email addresses, and impress your audience with your expertise and helpfulness. A typical sales funnel usually begins with a lead magnet, but of course you can add several more lead magnets throughout the funnel. If you are using a sales funnel on your website, better start it with a lead magnet. Well, the number one goal for a lead magnet is to attract customers to your product. And indeed, you don't need different types of leads. You would like to definitely attract your customers. So you would like to attract those who are a good fit for your business. The lead magnet doesn't only collect leads, it also introduces your customers, like your potential customers, to your product. Also, if your customers find the information that you share interesting, they are likely to share it with other people, and that is how you get more and more audience, like with the help of the word of mouth. And besides email addresses, indeed, you grow the trust to your product, to your brand, and that's how you share your expertise with your customers, and then your customers share this information with other people. And this way, a lead magnet leads to sales increase. So I believe there are 8 main points that make a lead magnet a great one. So number one, it actually solves a real problem of your target audience. Alternatively, it fulfills their desires and ambitions. Next, it has a very simple title and it is very easy to grasp it. So your audience immediately understands what value they will get in exchange for their email address. A lead magnet should be really specific. Don't put it download the information about something that does everything. No, that is a bad type of a lead magnet. So it should be really specific and the topic should be as narrow as possible. And don't forget that it should be immediately recognized by your target audience. Also, a lead magnet should be unique. So don't create something that can be found on the internet, on any other public domain. So try to create something unique. Another thing about the understanding of the lead magnet is its content. So it should be really easy to comprehend what you are trying to deliver to your audience. Like a PDF with a checklist is a really great idea. If it is an ebook, it should be not the great volume, but again, it should be easily comprehended within a few minutes. And of course, if a lead magnet contains a huge report on something, it has a delayed effect on your audience because they are likely to postpone reading this piece of information. Another thing about lead magnets, these should give value. And again, this value should be unique and this value should be perceived by your audience as quick as possible. My favorite part about lead magnets is that lead magnets give instant gratification. Like, people like when they get something instantly. So when they get instantly an action plan, when they get an instant recipe of success. So which is why your lead magnets should give instant gratification to your target audience. So don't forget that people love instant benefits. And indeed, that shouldn't be delayed. Like the very moment they share their email address with you, they should get an email with some PDF or whatever to their email box. And finally, a lead magnet demonstrates the level of your expertise that you share with the audience. It also reflects your unique value proposition. This will help you turn the leads later into customers. So there are actually 4 types of lead magnets that you can launch on your website. Number 1, an educational lead magnet. Number 2, a lead magnet with some useful information. Number 3, entertaining lead magnet. And finally, the lead magnet that you can place somewhere at the bottom of the sales funnel. I'll tell you about it later. That was a brief introduction to lead magnets. I'm sure you already want to launch something, and I also want to share with you like real examples that you can launch under a couple of minutes on your website. So please make sure you have subscribed to our channel. You have also enabled the notifications, and in the next video I'm going to give you the real examples of lead magnets. See you in the next video.